Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious green mojito at home. First, gather your fresh ingredients and essential tools. You will need fresh mint leaves, juicy limes, and good quality white rum. Also, prepare some simple syrup and a bottle of club soda. Don't forget plenty of crushed ice to ensure your drink is perfectly chilled and refreshing. Now, let's start building your mojito. Place about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and 2 to 3 lime wedges into your glass. Gently muddle them together to release their aromatic oils and juices. Next, add 2 ounces of your favorite white rum, followed by 1 ounce of simple syrup for sweetness. This combination forms the flavorful base. With your base ready, it's time for the ice. Fill your glass completely with crushed ice. This is key for the mojito's signature chill and dilution. Then, top off the mixture with about 4 ounces of crisp club soda. Give everything a gentle stir to ensure all the flavors are well combined and evenly distributed throughout the drink. Finally, for the perfect presentation and an extra burst of aroma, garnish your green mojito. Slap a fresh mint sprig between your hands to release its fragrance before placing it in the glass. You can also add a thin lime wheel to the rim or inside. Serve your refreshing green mojito immediately and savor every sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.